Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is multiplying a monomial by a binomial and multiplying a monomial by trinomial from Algebraic Expressions and Identities 8th class NCERT. So let's start multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So see, we know that one term it is contained monomial. If in case that expression contains two terms, it is called binomial. This is contains monomial and this is contained binomial. So let's start the multiplication of these two. In generally, multiplication of any expressions, we are mostly using distributive law. So similarly here also we have to use that law. So let's start. 3x into 5y plus 2. Now we have to do is 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. Now 3 into 5 into x into y plus 3 into 2 into x. Now 3 5s are 15 xy plus 3 2s are 6x. Therefore 3x into 5y plus 2 is equal to 15xy plus 6x is the answer for the multiplying monomial with a binomial. So see here, this is multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. So trinomial means the expression has three terms and here monomial, this is the one. Now multiply 3p into 4p square plus 3p into 5p plus 3p into 7. Therefore, 3 into 4 into p square plus 3 into 5 into p plus 3 into 7 into p. If you get confused, make it like this. Now, 3 4s are 12 into p power cube plus 3 5s are 15 p square plus 3 7s are 21p. Now 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p. Now therefore 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7 is equal to 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p is the answer for this given expression. So this is about the how to multiply monomial with binomial and trinomial. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.